Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple pages on your card website using the Section tool to turn a simple one-pager into a multi-section experience. Let's get into it. First, add a section break. Card is technically a one-page builder, so to create pages, we use internal sections that act as separate views. Click the plus icon in the top toolbar and select #control. A new control element will appear on your canvas. In the settings panel on the left, make sure the type is set to section break. This tells Card that everything following this point belongs to a new page. Next, name your pages. Each section needs a unique ID, so you can tell the browser where to go when a button is clicked. In the Section Break Settings panel, locate the ID field and type a short descriptive name like Portfolio, Services, or Bio. No spaces. Use contact-me or contact me instead of contact.me. It's best practice to keep IDs lowercase to avoid linking errors. When you name a section Gallery, Card essentially carves out a private area of your site. When a visitor lands on that ID, Card automatically hides the Home section and displays only the content attached to that specific ID, and also updates the URL in the browser's address bar to yoursite.card.co/gallery, allowing users to bookmark that specific page. Lastly, link your navigation buttons. Now that your pages exist, you need a way for visitors to actually get to them. Add or click on a button or link element that you want to use for navigation. In the URL field of that button, simply type a hashtag followed by your section ID, like #about. When a user clicks that button, Card will instantly hide the current content and slide over to the new section, making it feel like a completely new page has loaded. And that's pretty much it. To create multiple pages in 2026, insert a #control element set to section break, give it a unique ID, and link your buttons to that ID using a hashtag. This creates a seamless, fast-loading multi-page feel while keeping your site simple and elegant. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.